Section 4, Batliboi Limited is ITO. So, charge of income tax, sale of SIA, development control regulation DCR, capital receipt not accessible as long-term capital gain. This is what the summary. Health consideration received from the sale of additional FSI for which is no cost was incurred, not exigible to long-term capital gain following the CTI. Mm. So we need to see what is FSI. First, need to the sale of additional FSI. FSI is any building. Um, that building can be have a land and there will be two floor, three floor. In cities near airport, the government municipality will give permission to construct up to two buildings, three buildings, three floors in a single land. Now, what can the people do is they can sell this FSI. That is, I can able to construct five floors now with the help of this. With the I have only constructed three floors. I have two floors I can construct, but another person need to construct 10 floors. He has permission only for three floors now. I can sell my two floors rights to him. Rights to him. So selling that of such kind of sale of FSI, it is not eligible for additional capital gain. That's not accessible to long term capital gain. So I bought the building now, I'm selling it. No, no, there is no such capital gain in this. Then how will you account that receipt? Sale of FSI is a rights. I'm selling my rights. My rights is not computed to capital gain. Okay, there money I have received. How will you charge into income? Then it should be treated as capital receipt. Yeah, it's not be capital gain, can be treated as capital receipt. Then what happens if it been treated as capital receipt now? So on the property which I have, it will reduce the cost of the property. So it is not a income right now. Only when I sell the property, I will be eligible for capital gain computation. That example, I have purchased the property. Right now, the property value is 5 lakh rupees. Right now, I have built two floors. I having a rights for a one FSI. I'm selling that FSI. I'm getting around one amount. Now, what I need to do is reduce the capital value of the building rather than treating as income. It should be a capital receipt, so it can't be computed for income.